Thank you very much for having me. I feel very honored to have this opportunity. Adverse childhood experiences refer to a wide array of difficult challenges that many of our children experience, and we know some of them. In the Caribbean, a lot of children experience physical and sexual and emotional abuse. They also experience neglect, community violence, peer victimization, etc. We have talked about these issues for a very long time in the region. What is interesting about adverse child experiences science is that for the first time, we are able to make connections between particular adversities that children go through, or a number of adversities, and link those to particular health and educational and behavioral outcomes. For example, there was a really important study which was done at Stanford University, headed by Dr. Nadine Burke-Harris, who is Jamaican Canadian American and one of the leading figures in the global adverse childhood experiences movement. That study found that children who experience 4 or more adverse child experiences, that is, who have experienced, for example, extreme poverty, physical neglect, sexual abuse, and peer victimization, that those children on average are 32 times more likely
Yeah.
to have behavioral problems or to struggle in school, to struggle with learning.